Hey, TikTok, YouTube, I'm back. So we're going to do an unboxing of a mattress. Have a teenage son. He works overnight. He's at work. So the good parent that I am, I'm going to open his mattress for him so that it can expand because, as you can see in the previous video, it's rolled up in a box. But before I do that, because he's just a drop and go kind of guy at this moment in his life, I'm going to do a little quick cleanup under here. But it's not too bad. Just closing up some stuff, picking up a little trash. It's not horrible under here. The rest of the room, that's debatable. So, bear with me for a few minutes and we'll get this mess right up. And then we'll get the mattress on here and let y'all see what that looks like. Unless I tear up the whole wide world while I'm down. Sorry, no, that was loud. You never know what you might find under a teenager's bed. And just like that, we're almost done. I'll put everything nice and tidy back underneath here. But you cannot clean a room without sweeping and cleaning the baseboards. If you say otherwise, we cannot be friends. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, you gotta clean the baseboards. You can't clean a house and not clean a baseboard. I mean, for me, there's just like, why? There's really no purpose if you're not going to clean the baseboard. So, make sure I give it a nice little dusting. Throw away everything that's got dirt all over it. I will pick up all this little junk right here in front of the door. We really need to do some deep cleaning in here. It's horrible. But don't throw away anything of importance. Clearly, if it's in the floor, probably wasn't important anyway. Life of a 19-year-old. All right. Just like that, I've got it cleaned out from under. Get it one more little time in this corner. Now, I'm ready to put this stuff back over here. Sorry, folks. Got a little OCD. I missed the spot, and I don't like it. Oh, it fall off and hit me in the head. Okay. That's more like it. All right, so I'm going to reassemble this and unbox the bed. little bit. These bed frames are great. I still see stuff that I miss. Just don't like that. Pieces that I missed, but I don't think so. All right, so now my husband is going to bring the mattress in here. We're gonna put it up here and take it out of its box. So I'm gonna take this while he does that, and then we'll bring it back to you. To be continued.